Hello and welcome back to the instruction video of Locyop Effective Product 15th generation collapsible stool. So let's start. First, when you have to open the stool, you see there is a clockwise lock and unlock. Turn the clockwise lock to unlock, then hold the handle. You see there is a handle, hold handle, pull until it's click into the place, and it's ready for you to sit on this 15th generation collapsible stool. It's very strong, comfortable and very lightweight. When you don't feel comfortable in this height, you can also adjust it. Let me show you how. You can adjust this size, even that size. And also you can adjust with your leg. You just hold your leg with the stool, twist, then adjust whatever you want. This 15th generation collapsible measures PP, height is 46 cm, wide is 34 cm. And it has maximum load capacity 800 pounds or 350 kilograms. So let's say how to close this 15th generation collapsible stool. Take this tool, pull, twist, then close. After close, lock the clockwise lock. See, it's locked. This 15th generation collapsible stool is very easy to carry. You can carry by with your hand, and also you can carry by with your shoulder like this. And if you don't feel comfortable with this shoulder strap length, you can also adjust it. Let me show you how. Just open the bell from the lock, adjust whatever you want. You see, here is the lock, and also you can adjust the tool shot. After you change your mind, you will be carry with your hand. Just wrap around the stool with belt. Hold here, pull tightly, then wrap the belt and lock here. See, now you can carry with your hand. It's very easy. So this is our 15th generation collapsible stool. If you are normal,